Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start with essentials. Confirm your company email, password, and whether your account uses MFA. Once installed, open Outlook and choose Add Account, tap Work or School. Enter your full email address and press Next. If prompted, select Exchange or Microsoft 365. This ensures secure active sync settings. Make sure you have your MFA device or app ready because you may need to approve sign-in. This gets the connection initiated fast. Once Outlook finds server settings, it will prompt for credentials and permissions. Once Outlook requests authentication, complete the MFA approval on your second device or use an app password if your company requires one. After sign-in, grant permissions so Outlook can sync calendar and contacts. This lets you see meetings and reply quickly. Next, open account settings, set sync timeframe, and whether to download attachments automatically to save data. If you need custom server details, tap Advanced Settings and enter Exchange Server and Domain. These steps secure consistent mail flow and make your inbox usable for work. Finish by composing a test email and confirming calendar events appear. Once done, check push notifications and folder sync. Make sure your inbox and sent folders update. If you see errors, clear the app cache, force close Outlook, then sign in again, re-add the account if needed. Make sure device time is correct, because wrong time breaks authentication. If problems persist, contact IT with the exact error code, your device model, and Outlook app version so they can replicate and resolve the issue fast.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.